All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just establish something we kind of already know about things that are falling that have different mass. So I have a bigger ball and a smaller ball. I'm going to drop them both at the same time. We're going to see which one hits the ground first. So let's scooch over here and ready. Let's see if we make sure we got this. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Okay. So.
That looked like the orange ball was.
Well, what we really want to know is that it doesn't really matter what the mass is. So these two balls have different mass, and they both reach the ground at the same time. Okay, so let's start doing some races. You want to start doing some races?
Yay!
Okay. So we're going to start with hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. And we're going to just do two different radiuses. So we're going to do two different radiuses. We have a big radius and a small radius. So we're going to go 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a solid disc versus a cylinder. Hollow cylinder. This is a solid disc. It's the best I could do. So we're going to erase these two things and see which one wins. Ready?
No.
3, 2,
Cylinder.
1, go.
Cylinder. I knew it.
Cylinder versus a hollow sphere. So this is a hollow sphere. Cylinder versus hollow sphere.
Hollow sphere.
You think hollow sphere?
Yay, hollow sphere.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yay, I knew it.
All right. Okay. We're going to try the hollow sphere versus the solid disc. Hollow sphere versus solid disc.
Papa.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right. A hollow sphere
Papa,
versus a solid sphere.
are we going to use
Hollow sphere versus solid sphere.
Papa, are we going to do this car?
Yeah, we will eventually.
Okay, I'll just put the car thingy on. Can
The
I
hollow
help?
sphere versus the solid sphere. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Solid sphere.
All right. Solid sphere 1. Okay. This time we're going to try roll of tape versus our cylinder. Tape versus our cylinder. All right. Thank you. Watch out, dude. Tape versus cylinder.
Tape.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
I knew tape.
Okay, we're gonna do a solid disc versus the tape.
Tape.
Solid disc versus tape. Let's see. We ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Okay, we'll do a couple other interesting ones. We're gonna come back to our cylinder. We're gonna do that versus some soda. So, this stuff is all I could find in my fridge. It's actually pretty good from Trader Joe's. So here's some soda versus the cylinder. Let's see how. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Soda again versus tomato paste.
Tomato paste?
Tomato paste. So you can think of this one as like a solid cylinder. A solid cylinder. All right, soda versus tomato paste.
Soda, tomato paste.
Soda, tomato paste.
Soda.
Alright, so the soda seems to be doing pretty well, but what about the soda versus the solid sphere? Soda versus solid sphere. Let's see how soda versus solid sphere is going to go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Soda.
Alright, soda still wins.
Soda's winning a lot.
Soda's winning a lot. Okay, so now we are going to do something else. Okay, continuing on, we're going to go back to our hoop, our cylinder, and now we have a car. So we have a car. All right. So let's try these. All right. one, go.
I knew.
Car. We're going to do that against the solid disc. Car versus solid disc. All right. Ready?
Car, go car.
3, 2, 1, go.
I knew the car was gonna win
Okay.
again.
Car. We'll do car soda in a minute. Right now we're going to do car versus solid sphere.
Go car, go
Car versus solid sphere.
Car.
All right, here we go. Car versus solid sphere. Ready?
Go!
3, 2, 1, go.
Car!
All right, car wins.
Wow, just by a second.
Yep. All right, so now we have the ultimate
Car soda.
test. Car versus soda.
Ultimate.
Ultimate test. Car versus soda.
Go car, go
Car
car.
versus
go
soda.
Car, go,
Car versus soda.
go car, go car, go
Car
car.
to win.
That way.
All
Good.
right, ready?
Now.
3, 2, 1, go. Well, that was. All right, so this time we're gonna try car versus
My car.
Solomon's car. Here, will you hold up this sticky thing? Solomon's car. Okay, will you show your car again? Right over here. So we're gonna have a car versus Solomon's car. Ready?
Yay.
Okay.
Go,
Hang on a sec. We're gonna do. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Definitely.
I don't know, it's pretty close. Let's try. Let's try with me letting go of them at the same time. 'Cause it's hard for both
Okay.
people to let go. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Cars.
Yeah, I think that the little car's the winner.
Uh-huh.
Try one more time.
Uh-huh.
You sure? Okay. Here we go.
The Lego car
And
is also
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, Solomon was even trying to help. The little car is the winner. So it seems like this little car is the ultimate winner of everything. And it's kind of curious for why
We
this
haven't raced
car
it
would be the
against the
winner.
monster truck.
Yeah, there's a lot of things we haven't raced it against. So
Let's go.
let's do one last thing here that I wanted to do, just for fun. I wanted to do.
Horn.
I wanted to bring in. That's. Thank you. All right, so we are going to bring back the cylinder,
And the 2 cups.
and we're going to do 2 cups. 2 cups
Which will probably
taped
win.
together. I don't know. We'll see. Cylinder versus 2 cups.
Because the cylinder is very fast.
Let's see.
And the 2 cups is also very fast.
And 3, 2, 1, go. 2 cups is the winner. Should we do one last race here? Let's try 2 cups, and let's try the tomato paste.
Origami paper airplane.
We don't have an origami. Okay, let's do 2 cups, and we will race the 2 cups against the tomato paste. 2 cups versus tomato paste. Yeah, we're just gonna leave the ramp alone. Okay, so let's bring back the 2 cups, and let's race it against tomato paste. Let's see what happens. 2 cups versus tomato paste.